Processes of erosion and deposition are always occurring in our landscapes. Erosion is an energy-driven process. Water, compelled by gravity, is constantly dislodging bits of soil, rock and plant material. This material either enters our waterways or is deposited somewhere where the land flattens out and where there are rough, vegetated surfaces. Over millennia, these processes have shaped the landforms that surround us, creating features such as alluvial fans and floodplains. These alluvial features spread and dissipate water's powerful energy. Our land management can dramatically influence how water moves through the landscape. Even a small impact can lead to a deep erosion gully forming after a few rainfall events. Instead of water spreading and slowing down, its energy is concentrated and its velocity increases. It will keep dislodging material as it moves through a catchment. But let's not forget that the mobilised material will be deposited somewhere. The landscape that receives depositional material can benefit from erosional processes and build fertility rather than lose it. The more skilled we become at observing processes of erosion and deposition, the more equipped we are to make management decisions that retain and build fertility in our landscapes.